So I was walking the pups in our new neighborhood, passing some of the goodies of Chicago's West Loop Fulton Market District. World-famous chefs, deliciously decadent food, still fabulous old-time meat markets, London-based Soho Hotel House, and Google's new 200,000 square foot headquarters were flooding my mind. I knew when we moved here that there's massive opportunity. This is the hottest, fastest growing community in Chicago, filled with the finest restaurants and the biggest players in our country's advancement. And I knew in that moment what my next chapter would be. My name is Julie Henson, and I'm starting Coffee Bird, West Loop's coziest coffee shop. So Sebastian and I had a place like Coffee Bird in Milwaukee. It was called Colectivo, and we spent a lot of time there. And it was our home away from home. We'd bring schoolwork and work and games and books, but no matter what we did, we always had incredible food, incredible purely freshly roasted coffee drinks and smoothies and fresh squeezed orange juice, and always some kind of treat. Sebastian always gravitated to the chocolate chip cookie, their really big one. And I seemed to always get their raspberry scone, which was so incredible, but hard to choose because everything was incredible. And ultimately, when we got here, there was nothing like that. And so I intend to create a space just like Colectivo here in the West Loop. Just one of Colectivo's coffee. Great news is that we are partnering with Colectivo, and they will be our coffee roasters. And we are the only coffee shop in all of Chicago that will offer their coffee currently. So listen, I would drive to Milwaukee to get their coffee. I would drive to Timbuktu to get their coffee. So pretty much all of Chicago is going to want to drive to the West Loop to get their coffee. So Coffee Bird really is truly a family affair. My son Sebastian, he is kind and he's everything that Coffee Bird needs to stand for. My partner in life, Dienshin, we call her Dienshin, her name is Nadine. She's also been such an incredible supporter. My parents, my dad has put countless hours into this business. He is like my financial business guru. And probably what sparked my interest in entrepreneurship to begin with. So my least favorite part is here, and this is the part where I have to ask for your help. We need money for the build out of our space to make it perfect, and we also need money to purchase all of our coffee making equipment and all of our furniture that's going to go in and make Coffee Bird as special as it has the potential to be.
Every time I look into your eyes, here we go again, my friend. Staying together till the end. It's gonna be a lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day. It's gonna be a lovely day.
Let the morning time drop all its petals on me. Let I love you, all is groovy.
I can change the world with my own
to play.